Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a healthy tuna sandwich. First, let's focus on the base ingredients. Opt for light tuna packed in water, as it's lower in calories and fat than oil-packed varieties. For your bread, choose a whole wheat option to boost your fiber intake and provide sustained energy. Remember to drain your tuna very well to reduce sodium and prevent a soggy sandwich. Next, let's talk about dressings. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, try Greek yogurt or mashed avocado for a creamy texture with healthy fats and protein. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all the flavors, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard adds a wonderful tangy kick without extra calories. These simple swaps make a big difference in nutritional value. Now, let's load up on those healthy additions. Finely dice some celery and red onion. They provide a fantastic crunch and essential nutrients. Don't forget to chop up some colorful bell peppers for extra vitamins and a touch of sweetness. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley also elevate the flavor profile significantly, making your sandwich even more delicious and nutritious. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Gently combine all your prepared ingredients in a bowl until well mixed. Then, spread a generous amount of your healthy tuna mixture evenly onto your chosen whole wheat bread. You can also add a fresh lettuce leaf for extra crispness. Enjoy your delicious, nutritious, and easy-to-make healthy tuna sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.